The Mara River marks the edge of the Ridge Pride's territory. Right now it looks peaceful enough, but believe me, it can be a death trap. I can't remember the last time I saw something like this. Lions hardly ever attack crocodiles. In fact, normally they give each other a wide berth. With these lions, almost anything can happen. The message is, don't mess with the Ridge Pride.
Where land and water meet is a battleground. Lions and crocodiles. Ancient enemies. Deadly rivals. This epic battle is the culmination of more than 40 years of intensive training. A face-off that began the moment the crocodile was born.
Buffalo are heading towards the lions, believe it or not. Lions are right over there, and they're very intently watching the buffalo, who are moving right over there. This could be very interesting. That is a huge buffalo.
That's a huge buffalo.
It's a huge buffalo.
Even the lion.
Yeah, they're too young. The one's gone already.
Don't you think there's a little?
I don't know. I think they're a bit young. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, he's looking at getting
They're getting ready.
They're crouching.
She's quite big.
Does that mean attack position?
Yeah, it's a touch position.
Where's that female?
I can't see it.
This is amazing. They're running away. Big bull's gonna...
Uh-oh. What's the bull gonna do?
Just eat this.
Oh my god.
Gonna grab the baby.
Oh my god.
I'll grab the baby.
She's
Watch.
going for him. She's going for him. She got him. Oh, she did. She got him.
Hey, these gonnies just plucked a buffalo here.
Oh my god.
God, did you see that?
Yeah. Oh my god, yes.
Unbelievable.
She's always going to forget.
You didn't have a fight in this ground or anything.
Oh, guys, I'm shaking. Can you believe this? The buffalo are coming to help this one now. Watch.
They're too
Well,
late.
come and help this baby watch.
They're too late. Can they help him now, Frank?
Yeah, they can.
He's still alive, you think?
Oh, he's still alive.
My goodness.
Russell for Frank.
They're trying to drag him out. They're dragging him out.
Hulle het nou net 'n kleintjie gevang. Hier is lekker action hier so, jong. Hulle het 'n kleintjie hier so in die water en die trop is besig om nader te kom.
It's on its back. I hope they kill it quickly.
Oh, it's so alive.
Ja, positief. Hulle het 'n klein buffeltjie gevang hier so.
There's a crocodile there too.
Ja, daar's 'n krokodil ook. Daar gryp 'n krokodil ook die kleintjie. Yes.
Crocodile. Coming out big guy.
Check through the banners. The cock's trying to grab the baby.
Yes. Good gracious.
Look at this. The crocodile's taking the baby away.
Oh my God. They're two crocodiles.
They're gonna lose it.
Oh my God.
they're going to fight over it.
Because I'm shaking.
Oh my God. Oh, he's coming for
Huge crocodile. Three.
Oh, look at those dogs.
The lions have won.
The lions have won.
Oh, the lions have won.
Yeah, but look at all those buffalo coming.
No, they're gonna come and try and chase the lion, but I think they're too late.
I think you're right.
They're way too late now.
They're going to chase him. Come on.
No, they're too late.
Oh, look at the teeth.
Look at them. They're going to chase him.
The teeth, Jay.
You're too late.
Lucas,
You're too late.
you guys, you cannot believe what's going on here. There's a big terrier between lions, crocodiles, and buffaloes.
Look at them all.
Whoa! He swatted at him and kicked at him. He's kicking at him, look. He's kicking at him.
Look at him run.
Ja, julle moet sien wat hier aangaan, jong. Die buffels is besig om die leeu's te omsingel hierso en hulle want die leeu's het 'n klein njattie gevang. En hierdie njatties wil die leeu's nou bykom. Hulle jag die leeu's links en regs.
Ooh, they got him surrounded.
Ja, jy kan maar kom, jong. Hier's
And that one's
Ooh!
Chasing him.
They brought him.
Go on. Chasing him.
Would it go in the water?
You got the lion on him, run.
That little buffalo's still alive.
Brave king of the beast. The others are doing those. They're going at the other end.
Yes. Can you believe this?
Never seen that.
I've never seen anything like
The
that.
calf's still alive.
It is?
Yeah, it's trying to get away. It's standing up.
It is. It's still alive.
Oh, is it? Oh, they're putting them into the water.
It's standing up. It's
We're
standing
standing
up.
up. He's run away.
And it's
Ja,
Yes,
dat
he's
is back.
gone.
They've got it back.
They've got him back.
They do have him back.
Ja, hierdie buffels het die leeu's weggevat van daai kleintjie af en
They're going back. They'll come to the other ones. They're still chasing him.
we're still chasing.
Back in with the herd. Oh, and they're two lions.
Oh, they're
lying
going
down
back.
there. That's hard.
I've never seen anything like that.
Look, they're running. Look at them running.
There's two left.
Gee, they chased him away.
Oh, they're terrified.
But they hooked the one. Did you see they hooked the one?
Dude, they left the one.
And they got the other one.
Go on, Buffalo, go on. And there's another one.
Oh, the big one.
Look at this big bull.
Run.
That leeu's, that lion's injured. You see that? But you see that buffalo further on in the air?
Yes.
Yeah, these others are coming to help as well.
These are some more coming to them.
Yeah, I got him. I got him being thrown in the air.
Njatties het die daai klein njattie se lewe gered en hierdie klomp gonnies weggejag. Ongelooflik.
That's a fight and a half.
That was really something.
Did that one lioness that was lying
How
down
many
there?
buffalo do you reckon there, Frank?
Hey, in this little group there, it must be more than 100, eh?
Yes.
Look at
I
that
mean,
one
if you just
lion.
take 10.
Yeah.
No, there's easily
He's coming back. He's fearless, this lion.
No, but he's stupid, he's young.
Yeah.
You
Doesn't
better
know when
run,
you
my
fell
son.
Where's the little one?
I've never seen anything like this.
Really? You've never seen anything?
Never seen anything like this. I mean, I've seen it on video and on movies, but how's this thing?
Well, you can sell that video.
Yeah, probably. Should double.
When buffalo attack.
Yeah.